This is the practice test for whole numbers, and here we're working on problem number 13. The problem states a basketball coach orders shirts for his team that is sponsoring a local charity event. Shirt size large costs $32, while shirt size extra large costs $38. If 15 large shirts and 11 extra large shirts are ordered, find the total cost of the order. So we have to look at the large size shirts and the extra large size shirts separately. So here we have the large size, and the problem tells us that each large shirt costs $32 and 15 of those are purchased. So we're going to take the cost of each shirt times 15, and that's going to give us $480 for the large size shirts. And then the extra large size, we are told each shirt costs $38 and 11 of those are purchased. So it's going to be 38 times 11, which would give us $418 for the extra large size. And then we need to find the total cost of the order. The total is the 480 plus the 418, which is going to give us $898.